I started this problem off by putting my 9 on the left side and my 231 inside of my box. Now I'm going to draw a line that'll separate what I'm going to do over here. I know that I can get 10 9s out of 231, so I'm going to put 10 times 9 over on this side. 10 times 9 equals 90. Now I'm going to subtract 1 minus 0, which is 1. And then I realized that 3 cannot be subtracted by 9. And so I'm going to borrow a 1 from over here, and I'm going to put 1 over there. And now I'm going to subtract 13 minus 9, which is 4, and then I'm going to take down my 1 and put it over here. I realize I can get another 10 by 9 out of the problem, and so I'm going to do the same thing over here. And that'll get me 90 again. 1 minus 0 again is 1. And then I'm going to take that 1 from over here, make that a 0, and put 14 there. 14 minus 9 is 51. I know that I can multiply 5 by 9 and get a 45 out of it. 1 minus 5, well, we can't do that, so we'll have to take 1 from over here, make that a 4, and make that an 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. And then, after I do all this, I'm going to add up all my 10s and my 5s, which will get me to 25. And then what I have left over is a 6, so I put 6 up here, and then I put my 9 below. So my answer is 25 and 6/9, which can be reduced into 25 and 2/3. We're going to start this problem off by setting it up like a regular division problem. So, like all regular division problems, we put our 9 on the outside and the number we are dividing it by on the inside. And then we separate these numbers into columns, like so. We know that 9 cannot go into 2, so we make that a 2 minus 0, which is 2. And then we carry our 2 over here. We know that 9 times 2 equals 18, so we subtract 18. 23 minus 18 is 5. And we carry our 5 over to here, making it a 51. 9 times 5 equals 45, and then we subtract 51 minus 45, which is 6. Well, we know that 9 doesn't go into 6, so we put our 6 up here and our 9 below it. And that is equal to 25 and 2/3. So we're going to start this problem off by placing the number we are dividing by on the outside and the number we are dividing on the inside. We know that 9 can go into 23 at least twice, which makes it 18. And 23 minus 18 is 5. And then we will bring down the 1, making it a total of 51. 9 times 5 equals 45, so we can put a 5 up here and then a 45 down here. 51 minus 45 equals 6. So that is our remainder. We put a 6 up here and then 9 below it. We know that that is equal to 25 and 2/3.